Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix the Zedge app cannot load the wallpapers. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. So now what you need to do is locate this Edge app and hold on it. Once you hold on it, click on that I button on the left side. So once you're here, as you can see, the app information is appearing. Tap on the storage at the very top, and at the bottom is the clear data. Tap on it and tap on clear data. Clear the cache memory right now. After that, go to the app store or play store. Once you're here, at the bottom right is search. Tap on that, and at the top is the search one. Simply tap on that and search for Zedge. Make sure that Zedge app is updated. If not updated first, after that, go and refresh the Zedge app, and that should definitely work. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.